Okay. Okay, today I'm here with this long command prefix, which is I think it's a cool stuff, right? Prefix, like whatever comes in front of like non-stop, that is non means that's the prefix. It's a really cool problem to solve. I already know the solution. I just try to explain what I know, right? That's cool. It's always cool to explain what you know, right? Because you can't explain what you don't know, but you in the process of trying to explain you might know something more, right? That's cool. That's really cool. And I like the music, right? So write a function to find the longest common prefix amongst an array of strings, like this array of strings. Longest, so this is the longest here, this is longest. Okay, if there is no common prefix, just return the empty string, that's fine. Yeah, so this guy doesn't have any prefix, D. So what's the logic? What would be the logic, right? We first have to see, I think, first get this guy's first letter and then compare with this. Then you have a F as the common prefix. Then you go to the second, you have this, then L. FL is the longest. And you go to the third one, O, FLO, and O is there, but O is not there, so it's not going to be a common prefix. Then FL, it will be the common prefix. That's pretty simple, right? So just to be clear, how long should we go? We know that if FLOW is the shortest word in this string array, I just need to just loop it 4 times, right? That's fine. I don't need to loop 5 times because I know it's going to be there. So make something efficient. Let's just loop it 5 times, right? Let's loop it 5 times, right? Okay, let's create a prefix first. Who doesn't have anything in it? An empty prefix. It's going to return that one. Let's get the minimum character, minimum length, right? Minimum length of the words. Minimum length, So what could be the minimum, like maximum, right? It can go to the maximum of 200, right? So I'll put it 201. Then let's go. Let's loop it, right? Let's loop all the array. String of strings, right? So this of can also be used to not only strings array, it can be used to string. And there's another thing called for in. That is used to loop to an object key. That's cool, really cool, right? I just want to mention that. Okay, let's get the minimum length, right? Let's get the minimum length. Let's use math function to get the minimum out of these 2 letters. What are the 2 letters? Minimum length is let's just string of length. So I know this length, and comma length. So I just want to copy this. I always get this wrong, right? I can't spell length. That's my curse. I've been cursed not to spell length. So if this is the smallest, it's going to get this. If this was the smallest, it's going to get this. It's pretty simple, right? So I'm having the smallest one right now. So I'm going to just go and loop for the the other guys. I'm going to create a loop for the minimum with the minimum length. Let what I call I cannot be greater than min length. I can put greater than or equal, but I'm in the array land here, so I really can't do that. I'm in the array land. You know what I mean? I'm in the array land, right? So array starts with 0. I need to loop until 5. Let's say the 4 is the minimum length. So 0 to 4 I need so 4 won't come, so 0 to 3 will loop, right? So I just want that 0 to 3, that's 4. I just want to say there can be someone who doesn't know it, just want to say. I'm just saying, these noobs guys, they might need it, right? Noob. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So the second thing, brand new. Yes. Yeah. So the 14. Did I start it just now, or it was running for a while? I don't know. Yeah, I think I started it long. It's fine. I don't care. Okay. Oh, very late. So what I know what to do is minimum length. Okay. Okay. So I need to compare this first guy with this first guy, right? So I'm going to get the first guy, first letter, first. Let's put first guy letter. I don't know. I can't come up with a good name. First guy letter. First guy letter is F. So how do I get it? There's a simple way. Do you know, guys? Do you guys have an idea? Comment it. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Stress a 0. Yes, I just need the first, and then so I have the first guy letter. Then I can go for this. What is the cool guy? So I need to go like everyone, right? I need to loop it. So I'll start with this guy. So I'll create a loop to start with the second guy. Let j equal to 1. J should be less than string. Always be careful why you put this and not a greater or equal, right? Because 1 2, I don't need to go 1 2. Let's say the length is 5, or let's say it's 3. 1 2 2 means it runs twice, so I just need to run it twice, right? Like in the array line, that's how things work. But be careful what you need, right? We have to always be careful. We can't just memorize stuff and put, right? Because I do that mistake a lot. So that's why I'm saying to you, I do this greater. I just get confused. But yeah, it's confusing sometimes. We all are humans, right? Okay. So what I was doing, okay, I need to compare it, right? So what I'm going to do is, if first guy letter is not equal to string j, and it should be I, right? So j means the second one's first letter. So if it is not satisfying my need, I'll create a all equal to 2, right? Constant. No, I need let. I need to change it, right? Let me copy all equal. No, let's not make these mistakes. It might become a habit, right? Don't make these silly mistakes, right? I made it knowingly, but yeah, don't make it. So I'm going to break it, right? If it is this thing, if it is not equal, all is equal false, and I'm going to break it, alright? Yeah, right? That's cool. Then, okay, if it is not there, fine, it's false. So if it is not going to be there, it's going to be true. And if it is all equal, if this all equal, if it is all equal, I need the prefix. Do you remember the prefix? That's the first ever I wrote. So this guy going to be left because I want to change it. I have to almost okay. I need to add the first guy letter to this. Right. Yeah, first guy letter is do. Else should I if it is not all equal, just break it. Just break it. Just come out of it and live a life. So if it is there, I'm going to. So after breaking it, I don't know. I think if I break this here, it will break out of this loop, and I'm going to return the prefix. Simple, right? Simple and sweet. I've already tried this, so I hope I got the right answer. So the logic is correct, guys. I hope, yeah, it's correct. It's fine. It's fine. It's cool. It's great. So I think you understand the logic, right? I am using this loop. I'm just looking for, and then using this loop, this loop is actually starting from this one, right? This one's first letter. If it is okay, I'll leave it. I don't put all equal false. But if not, I'm going to put all equal false and break it. Break out of the loop that I put to check the, to start from the second and, And if it is okay, add it. Or else, not so much. So this is all working fine. That's great. Fine. I mean the song stopped. Yeah, great. See you on the next one.